Pilato PTH 1400/1000 all-road, the wood devourer. Meet the Pilato PTH 1400/1000 all-road, a beast that doesn't just process trees, it dominates them. Running on a mighty 700 horsepower Volvo engine, this monster can chew through logs up to 800 millimeters thick and spit out 380 cubic meters of wood chips every hour. That's not just impressive, that's industrial-grade mayhem. But it's not just about brute force. This machine's cabin isn't your typical operator box. It lifts and rotates, giving the operator full control and visibility. Combine that with a powerful crane arm, and you've got a setup that feels more like operating a sci-fi exosuit than a forestry machine. It's designed for efficiency, sure, but it also shows off just how far modern logging tech has come. Baker Products' high-production sawmill, precision in every cut. Now shifting gears to something a bit more refined, the Baker Products high-production sawmill is all about smart, ergonomic design. It's not the flashiest machine in the forest, but it knows how to get things done with minimal waste and maximum precision. What makes it shine is its versatility. Whether it's softwood or hardwood, this sawmill handles both like a pro, powered by a solid 50 horsepower motor. And thanks to the dual 36-inch all-steel band wheels, it's capable of stretching the blade length for faster, cleaner cuts, without sacrificing precision. Every piece of lumber it touches gets turned into usable, high-quality wood. That's efficiency that speaks for itself. Vermeer WC2300XL Whole Tree Chipper. Chip it like a pro. When it's time to break down entire trees, the Vermeer WC2300XL steps up like a true heavyweight. This isn't just a chipper, it's a chipping factory on wheels. It's equipped with dual in-feed conveyor chains and a cutting-edge smart crush system. What that means is, the machine doesn't just pull logs in, it understands them. It adjusts automatically to optimize every bite, giving you high-quality chips whether you're working with limbs, slash, or whole trees. Its variable speed controls help maximize output and minimize wear. Maintenance? A breeze. This chipper doesn't slow down, and neither should you. Vermeer HG6800TX Horizontal Grinder, the groundbreaker. Next up, the Vermeer HG6800TX, a grinder that operates on pure adrenaline. Armed with a jaw-dropping 950 horsepower engine, this machine takes on tree stumps, logs, and even whole trees without flinching. What makes it stand out is the SMG e-feed system. It's smart enough to monitor engine RPM and adjust the feed speed automatically for optimal performance. Add in its legendary duplex drum design, and you've got durability that's ready for anything. Whether it's land clearing, storm cleanup, or biomass fuel production, this grinder grinds harder than any playlist at the gym. Rotney H8D Harvester, Agile Thinning Champion. Thinning forests without damaging the ecosystem requires precision, and that's where the Rotney H8D comes in. This compact harvester was designed specifically for thinning operations in tight and challenging environments. Its secret sauce is in the two-part chassis and articulated joint. These features give it the agility of a jungle cat. It can maneuver through narrow paths while maintaining complete stability. The traction control system ensures grip, even on uneven terrain. No slipping, no sliding, just clean, efficient harvesting. Built to handle strip road distances and challenging forest layouts, this machine gets close to trees, even 6 or 7 meters away, without needing to trample everything in between. TigerCat 724, G Feller Buncher, built for battle. The TigerCat 724. G isn't shy. This is a machine made to wrestle the toughest terrain and win. Its weight distribution is so well balanced that it can climb steep slopes without losing an ounce of stability. It's a cutting powerhouse, perfect for large diameter wood in rough environments. The hydraulic components are optimized for durability, the cooling system is built for endurance, and the productivity? Off the charts. Operators praise its intuitive handling, even in the roughest patches of forest. If there's ever been a machine that says, "Bring it on" to nature, it's this one. John Deere 959 M-Tract Feller Buncher, king of custom control. Smooth, stable, and smarter than you'd expect. The John Deere 959M is built to dominate. It's packing 246 kilowatts of raw engine power, and its long, wide undercarriage provides excellent balance and high stability for extreme jobs. What really sets it apart is the optional Rapid Cycle System, RCS. This smart system adjusts machine settings based on current conditions, making it almost feel like the feller buncher is learning from its environment. And when it comes to maintenance, everything's laid out for easy access. It's as practical as it is powerful. Ponce Bear Harvester, the Alpha Beast. Nicknamed the most powerful harvester on Earth, the Ponce Bear doesn't just live up to the hype, it exceeds it. This machine is engineered to thrive in dense forests, thanks to its massive harvester head and crane. The crane tilts up to 80 degrees and rotates 250 degrees, making it incredibly versatile in tight spaces. With an 8-wheel chassis, it keeps a perfect grip even on challenging terrain. And it's not just about power, it's about longevity. The Synchro winch feature helps preserve machine life, reduces fuel consumption, and keeps stress off the drive transmission. That's the kind of bear you want on your side. OSA 270 Halem plus OSA 710, processor the ultimate duo. Why settle for one beast when you can have two working together like clockwork? The OSA 270 Halem is a 12-ton hauler with a serious attitude. Its leveling system keeps it stable even on rocky terrain, while the OSA 710 processor tackles timber processing like a surgeon. Together, they create a smooth workflow from forest to mill. Whether it's forwarding logs or prepping them for the next step, this duo makes light work of heavy tasks. Cambio 800D, debarker, stripping logs like a pro. Stripping bark might sound simple, but it takes finesse, especially when you're dealing with logs up to 795 millimeters in diameter. The Cambio 800D handles the job with style. With carbide-tipped tools powered by compressed air, this machine's feed system is triangular, helping logs glide through smoothly. It's fast, efficient, and doesn't require constant servicing. That's a big deal in sawmills where downtime costs money. Mir VTZ Autonomous. Sawmill, the future, now. Fully automated and freakishly efficient, the Mir VTZ isn't a sawmill, it's a factory. It combines double chipper canters, vertical band saws, and optimized edgers into a system that can process up to 500 cubic meters of wood in just 8 hours. Every part of the machine is optimized by scanning logs and adjusting blade position automatically. It's like the AI of forestry, working fast, smart, and with precision that would make a samurai jealous. Drumet TT400 Circular Saw Machine, the first cut hero. Before wood becomes anything useful, it has to lose its rough outer layer. That's where the Drumet TT400 comes in. It slices through the timber's surface like butter, producing a clean cuboid base for further processing. Simple, powerful, and efficient. This is where the transformation from tree to timber truly begins. Tigercat Mulcher 480B, crushing the competition. Mulching isn't just about reducing brush, it's about turning a chaotic mess into a clean, usable area. The Tigercat 480B does that with flair, thanks to its 480 horsepower Tier 4 engine. It responds fast, runs lean, and works long. Its robust construction means you don't have to worry about pushing it hard. It was born for it. What really makes this machine stand out is how it takes terrain that looks impossible and clears it like a hot knife through butter. We're talking about thick underbrush, fallen limbs, tangled roots, gone in minutes. The 480B doesn't flinch. Its precision rotary head chews through everything in its path like it's just another Tuesday. And even in extreme heat or freezing conditions, it keeps its cool, literally. Its cooling system is a beast of its own, keeping hydraulic temperatures in check even during high-load operations. That means less downtime, longer operational windows, and a whole lot more ground covered per shift. The operator's cabin? That's luxury in the woods. You've got high-visibility glass, shock-absorbing seats, ergonomic controls, and even climate control. Because when you're mulching for hours, comfort isn't a luxury. It's mission critical. Its massive track system spreads out weight evenly, so you can cover soft ground without sinking or ripping up soil. That's a big win for environmental conservation and long-term land management. Hypro 755 HB harvester with FG4 clamp surgical forestry. Deep in Sweden's vast forests, the Hypro 755 HB shows what precision forestry looks like. With the FG4 clamp, it fells trees up to 45 centimeters thick without breaking a sweat. What's impressive is how cleanly it operates, even with complex root systems. This isn't just harvesting, it's forestry done with a scalpel instead of a sledgehammer. Ransom shark tooth stump harvester, nothing left behind. Stumps are often the most stubborn part of a tree to deal with, not for the Ransom shark tooth harvester. This machine doesn't just remove stumps, it pulverizes them. Watching it work is almost hypnotic. It tears through roots and thick wood with a level of force that redefines what land clearing can look like. Clearman HD 852 Roster DeBarker high-tech bark stripper. With a 75 horsepower motor and joystick-controlled operator booth, the Clearman HD 852 is as comfortable as it is capable. It can strip bark from logs up to 52 inches wide, using its segmented aluminum head to create the perfect profile. With touchscreen diagnostics and remote grease access, it's a machine built for efficiency and ease of use. Bell's Super Splitter, the final slice. And finally, the Bell's Super Splitter. With a 76-ton splitting force, it's the lumberjack's finishing move. It takes on logs nearly 10 feet long and up to 42 inches wide like they're twigs. Equipped with a 4-way wedge and wireless controls, it turns one-person operations into industrial performances. Just load it up and watch it split clean every time. This splitter isn't just about raw muscle. It's a precision weapon in a world of heavy-duty work. Every press of the button delivers a perfect cut, no wasted effort, no second tries. Its hydraulic system pumps out a jaw-dropping 48 gallons per minute, keeping that wedge moving fast and strong. In a matter of seconds, those hefty logs are reduced to clean, symmetrical firewood, ready for bundling, stacking, or feeding straight into wood furnaces. The design also keeps operator fatigue at an all-time low. There's no need to wrangle logs manually or reposition them after every pass. With the splitter's mechanical arm and auto return cycle, it's as hands-free as you can get in this line of work. And that wireless remote? It's a game changer. Stand at a safe distance, keep a clear line of sight, and control the entire process with ease. This is the kind of machine that makes you feel like you're commanding a transformer. It's sleek, solid, and unapologetically powerful. Whether you're running a firewood business or handling seasonal clearing, this splitter doesn't slow down. Even under heavy load, it powers through like it's just warming up. And let's not ignore the sound. It's a deep, satisfying hum of hydraulics and steel in perfect harmony. Operators know that sound means business. It means power is being transferred and wood is about to get owned. From dense hardwoods to knotty, stubborn logs, nothing phases this machine. Its steel frame is reinforced to handle repetitive impacts without stress fractures or wear. You could run this thing day in, day out, and it would still be asking for more. Bell's didn't just build a splitter, they engineered a legacy tool, one that gets passed down generations because it simply doesn't quit. The wedge design itself is a thing of beauty. It doesn't just crack wood, it carves it like a sculptor with a chisel. The 6-way wedge upgrade? That turns it into a firewood slicing factory, pushing out stack-ready pieces with zero need for a second split. Safety features? Absolutely locked in. Guardrails, pressure cutoffs, and foot pedal overrides make sure everything stays efficient and secure. Even with all that power, it's engineered to protect the operator at every stage. Watching it run is oddly satisfying. The motion, the control, the clean finish, it's like watching nature get sliced with elegance. This isn't just a tool, it's a statement. And in a world of forestry titans, the Bell's Super Splitter earns its crown with every slam of its wedge. Each of these machines isn't just a piece of equipment, it's a symbol of how far forestry has evolved. From smart grinders to high-tech harvesters and sawmills that practically run themselves, these marvels of engineering keep the world's lumber flowing strong. If watching these powerhouses in action blew your mind, imagine what's coming next. Smash that subscribe button, hit like, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next lineup of incredible machines and unstoppable innovation. Until then, stay curious, stay extreme, and keep your chains sharp.